Hey everybody, it's Jason, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Merkur Detailing Safety Razor. What is a detailing safety razor? It's kind of a very special, unique item only available from Merkur. Basically what it is it's a razor designed to do fine detail work. So if you have a goatee and you're trying to get in there to do some fine detail work to get that little patch there, or if you're trying to do other elements, or you're trying to do some hair art, this is kind of a crazy good item. It has this classic double-edged safety razor design. So it's just a regular 3-piece safety razor. You pop out that head like that. It's pretty good. And then what you're going to find is it comes with, and we sell these triangular blades. So one end is small and sharp and the other end is small and sharp. So you just basically load it by dropping the blade in there. You drop the head onto the top there, and then you just screw it together, and you have this really great razor that is perfectly designed to do fine detail work on your face. It is a very unique item. Its code is the Merkur 908 razor, and then of course the 908A are a 10-pack of specialty blades. So if you are carrying beard product, mustache detailing products, any kind of product like that, and you want to have something special, I definitely recommend it. Although I would have a sample out for merchandising to explain to your customer, because it is kind of a great little discovery item. As an independent retailer or a barbershop, when you show a customer this, it's just like, wow, that's so cool, I've never heard of that. To order these products or for more information, visit us at barbersupplies.com, or in Canada, ca.barbersupplies.com.